Assalamu alaikum. Project management framework, organization structures. The way your organization is structured influences how you manage and run projects. It can also influence how much authority and reach you have to do your job as a project manager. There are three common organizational structures and project managers work in all of them: functional, project and matrix. Functional organization structure. A functional organization structure is a hierarchical organization structure wherein people are grouped based on their area of specialization. These people are supervised by a functional manager with expertise in the same field. This expertise helps him to effectively utilize the skills of employees, which ultimately helps organizations in achieving its business objectives. Generally, the functional manager has more authority than the project manager. People are classified according to the function they perform within the organization in this kind of organization structure. The organizational chart for a functional organization structure shows the president, vice president, finance department, sales department, customer service, administration, etc. Each department will have a department head who will be responsible for the performance of his section. This helps the organization control the quality and uniformity of performance. These various departments are sometimes referred to as silos. This means the system is vertical and disconnected. The communication flows through the department heads to the top management. Here all authority like budget allocation, resource allocation, decision making, etc. stays with the functional manager. Usually the position of a project manager does not exist in this type of organization structure. Even if this position exists, the role of the project manager will be minimal and he will need permission from the functional manager to fulfill his requirements. The project manager may have the title of a coordinator or an expeditor. The functional organization structure is suitable for an organization which has ongoing operations and produces standard products or goods such as manufacturing industries. Advantages of the functional organization structure. Employees are grouped by their knowledge and skills, which helps achieve the highest degree of performance. Employees are very skilled. Efficiency is achieved because they are experienced in the same work and they perform excellently. Their roles and responsibilities are fixed, which facilitates easy accountability for the work. The hierarchy is apparent and employees don't have to report to multiple supervisors. Each employee reports to his or her functional manager, which reduces the number of communication channels. There is no duplication of work because each department and each employee has a fixed job responsibility. Employees feel secure and therefore they perform well without fear. Since there is a sense of job security, employees tend to be loyal to the organization. Employees have a clear career growth path. Cooperation and communication are excellent within the department. Disadvantages of the functional organization structure. Employees may feel bored due to the monotonous, repetitive type of work and may lose enthusiasm for the job. Conflicts may arise if the performance appraisal system is not properly managed. For example, an employee may feel demoralized when a lower performing employee is promoted. A highly skilled employee costs more. The departments have a self-centered mentality. The functional manager pays more attention to his department. He usually doesn't care about other departments. Communication is weak among the departments, which causes poor inter-department coordination. This decreases flexibility and innovation. Moreover, there is a lack of teamwork among different departments. Employees may have little concern and knowledge about events outside their department. This causes obstacles to communication and cooperation. The functional structure is rigid and adapting to changes difficult and slow. Delays frequently occur in decision making due to bureaucratic hierarchy. Generally, the functional manager makes decisions autocratically without consulting his team members. This may not always work in favor of the organization. When the organization becomes larger, functional areas can become challenging to manage due to their size. Each department may start behaving like a small company with its facilities, culture, and management style. Functional departments may be distracted by departmental goals and focus on them rather than the organizational goal. The functional organization structure helps organizations run their business and earn a profit. This type of structure suits organizations intended to produce some product or service on a continuous basis. Here employees feel secure, perform well, and tend to be highly skilled. The project manager often does not have any role in the functional organization, and even if he exists, his role will be minimal.